Most drivers think pouring a fuel injector cleaner into their tank is helping their engine. But what if I told you, some of those top-rated bottles are slowly ruining your fuel system? Yep, many popular injector cleaners actually damage seals, corrode injectors, or strip lubrication from your pump. So before you destroy your car trying to clean it, let's reveal the 11 injector cleaners you should never use, and the 7 that actually work. So, let's talk about STP Fuel Injector Cleaner. It's cheap for a reason. STP uses harsh detergents that strip vital lubrication from fuel pumps. Over time, your injectors might tick louder, not quieter, and honestly, that's a warning sign you've done more harm than good. Next up is Gumout High Mileage Cleaner. People love it for its strong formula, but that's exactly the problem. It's just too strong, and can eat away at old rubber seals and hoses, especially in cars over 10 years old. Now, Lucas Deep Clean. Lucas makes great oil stabilizers, but their fuel cleaner is too thick. It doesn't burn off properly in modern engines, leaving a sticky residue that clogs fine injectors, especially in GDI engines. Here's the truth. Redline SI1 isn't bad, it's just too concentrated for frequent use. If you use it every fill-up, you'll shorten injector life instead of extending it. Seafoam motor treatment is a YouTube favorite, but Seafoam belongs in your intake, not your fuel tank. Used as a fuel cleaner, it can loosen sludge too fast, sending chunks into injectors and filters. Royal Purple Max Atomizer, well, it looks premium, but multiple lab tests found inconsistent P levels, meaning the cleaning strength varies bottle to bottle. Unstable chemistry equals unpredictable results. So, Techron does work, but honestly, only if you go for the professional grade version. The cheaper regular bottles you find at gas stations are really watered down and, well, they barely clean anything. Now, Motor Medic Injector Cleaner is another story. This one's actually pretty harsh on catalytic converters. The heavy solvent base can trigger premature catalyst wear, especially if you're dealing with small engines. And then there's Valvoline Fuel System Cleaner. It's just not strong enough to remove carbon from modern direct injectors. It's kinda like using hand soap to clean a greasy engine bay. Yeah, it's safe, but honestly, it's just not effective. Alright, so, Berkebile 2+2 Injector Cleaner. This old-school formula was actually meant for carburetors, not those precision fuel injectors we see in modern engines. Using it today? Well, your engine can misfire or even run lean after using it. Next up, Blue Magic Total Fuel System Cleaner. You'll often see this stuff sold cheap online, but honestly, it's mostly just kerosene with some fragrance additives. It might make your exhaust smell clean, but, that's about all you're gonna get from it. Now let's talk about the good guys, the 7 that actually work. Alright, so, BG44K Platinum. Mechanics swear by this one for a reason. It contains high concentration PEA, that's polyethyramine, which is really the only chemical proven to dissolve carbon without damaging seals. Next up is Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus, the professional series. This is, the real Techron. It's OEM approved by Honda, Toyota, and GM for routine use. Safe, effective, and it keeps injectors spotless. Now Royal Purple Max Clean, not to be confused with Max Atomizer, is completely different. Max Clean uses advanced detergents that can increase fuel economy by up to 3%. And yeah, real test data actually backs that up. Liqui Moly Injectron. Yeah, that's German engineering at its best. It's gentle on seals, but, it's still really powerful against varnish buildup. Perfect for those high-mileage engines. Gumout Regain Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Unlike the high-mileage version, Regain uses PA safely. Just one bottle every 3,000 miles keeps your injectors sharp. Redline SI1. Yeah, this one makes the good list too, but only when you use it once every 5,000 miles. It's perfect for deep cleaning without overexposure. AmSoil PI Performance Improver. It's, definitely on the pricey side, but man, it's extremely potent. Just one treatment, and you'll notice your idle smooths out and throttle response comes back almost right away. No matter which one you choose, here's the rule. Use PEA-based cleaners only every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Too often, and you'll actually strip away some of that vital lubrication. But if you wait too long, carbon buildup is gonna win. So, next time you grab a bottle off the shelf, remember, not all injector cleaners are created equal. Choose smart, and your engine will thank you with another 100,000 miles of smooth performance. If this video saved you from wasting money, or worse, wrecking your injectors, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and share this video with someone who swears by Seafoam. You might just save their engine.